Yeah, YouTube, me dep on the block, me dep on the chat again. You see me I say a long time I not come still, but I don't know what the thing I go on and I not come regular. But me want to touch a little topic tonight. You see me I say, I'll touch a little topic. Alright, so big up to all the artists them. Reggae Sunfest come and Reggae Sunfest go on with that thing. A lot of people now successfully. You see me I say, but big up the artists them and big up the King Tamale. Don't know. Tamale and my artist. Him shell on Sunfest. I'm in a business what nobody want to say. You see me I say. Yeah, and I have a strong reason why Tamale rep for all straight out. You see me I say, a them man they put more beer on him officially. Tamale. Because you don't know Kingston artists, them always say Moby artists, them a countryman and them fight with them. A Kingston have a whole gatekeeper them, you know. And Tamale come out and just blow through and say, yo, Moby where I put on him. So I have to big up Tamale 100%. You see me I say, my artist, nothing gonna change that. You see me I say, yeah, so, yeah, but, alright, here we go on now. I don't know how much memory I have on the phone still, but because I have one ton load of video on it, but I don't get to download or not yet. With some trailer building project and thing what I do. It's an answer, so I don't know. I'm going to go and talk if it cut off or so, but hopefully I have enough memory. It's an answer. So here we go on now. You see a shocking news come out. Mad Cobra. We are talking about that a little bit right now. Mad Cobra get catch with in a South Carolina get catch with cocaine and they said the white stuff, you see me? And geo and you see me I say don't know. South Carolina no a good state for you get catch with them something. As a matter of fact, nowhere in America. You see me I say. And the thing is this. Mother say him get FUCK right now. You get what the duck get. You see me I say. When you have a gun, your gun don't go register to your state. You can't travel with your gun to another state. That's illegal. You see me I say? And then now, the drugs now is a big illegal thing again. A big crime that. You see me I say? And the thing what I say right here now. Listen what I say right here now. Up to today, me and my brother raised, you know. I have a brother, my first brother living in Canada. Big up yourself, my general. You see me I say. Today, me and my brother reason. I show him say, boy, for we people them, nation of people them we not like Bill. See me I say. You know, we not like Bill. You see, we learn for Bill. And build legacy that it can pass on to generation and generation. And that cause a problem right now in a free society and it affect, it's a thing where they affect the world of black people then. You understand what I say? Or let me say maroon people then. You see me? Alright, here we go on now. Cobra is a 90s artist. See? Cobra is a 90s artist. In the 90s was the peak of Cobra career. And thing went hot. You see me I say? So, thing boy along for me now. And now in the America. They juggle white stuff. You see me I say? When you look into it, you really messed up. Because if you make money in the music, millions of dollars. First thing you're supposed to talk about, think about the bill. Build something. A lot of things we can build. We can build factory, we can do farming, we can, if you're going to farming, plan to put a factory side of it. Because if you go produce fruits or vegetable or anything, you can you're not gonna sell everything. So you can run some through a process and get some buckle up or can up and link to ship them all over the world. That's what I say. So if you're going at farming, it's not say yo farming not good. Farming good all over the world. Everybody have to eat. That's what I say. Farming make good money, but you have to put money in it and you have to build something. That's what I say. Build a factory, to produce things, to plant, to run some tree factory, can up some, buckle up some, bag up some, whatsoever you want. Because if you even say you plant banana, see, you can ship some of the banana, you can fry some of the banana, you have a factory where you fry some and bag up some banana chips. You see me I say? Yeah, I saw a thing work. You see me I say, if you do tomato, you can up tomato, you can make tomato punch, you can sell some of the tomato where people go process through their home, stuff like that. If you do corn, you can do a lot of things with corn. You can make popcorn, you can make regular corn, you can make cornmeal, you can make feeding. So if you're going to farming and say all the plant corn right now, you can't lose. You see me I say? But you see, we not think then kind of way there. You see me? We can make factory, make we own clothes. We can make we own shoes. You see me I say? We can make we own vehicles. You see me I say? We can make we own utensils. We can make we own appliances for homes. A lot of things we can make. You see me I say? If what me I say makes sense, put in a comment section. And if I crap me attack, put in a comment section. But me know say I no crap me attack. You see me I say? So at the end of the day, you come out from the ghetto, say, go to a regular school, get a regular education, and you say, you're in a poverty, and you say, yo, God bless me that talent, and I go in a music, entertainment. And you're making an entertainment. And you take back all of the money and say I live a lavish lifestyle and say you go floss, you want the dearest Benz Beamer and all of the late vehicle them will come in and you want to buy the Gucci, the Prada and the Fendi and the all dear clothes and stuff like that and jewelry. And at the end of the day, all of those products where you buy, all of those hype where you buy, and none of your people them build it. You see me I say? Other people build them thing and sell. And you never think in head and say, say, I build a clothesline, I runs up some tailor and some dressmaker. I'm going to build a factory because I make a money and I can build 1/4 acre a factory. And then now I just save again, do a couple more stage show and load it with some machine. And then I get some people and say, yo, get a designer to design something. And I get some tailor and some dressmaker to do some stuff. And I build my own clothes right there. So. These are the way we think when we have money. But when we not think then way they know and we making money, I run go back go buy Benz and Beamer and trust people vehicle and trust people house. And you live a lavish lifestyle. And then career turn down the hill. And everything start run down now. You see me I say you never build nothing. And then when everything gone down now, you start scrape now. Because music now sell again. Because younger artists come up now and dominate the scene and fear thing up on the back burner. You get what I say? So the money now come up again. But when you're in at the peak of your career, you never do nothing with none of the money. You squander out the money. And then now your turn to selling, pushing, push, become a pusher. You see me I say? I deal with drugs now. Because you're not going to do a 9 to, you don't want to do a 9 to 5 because a 9 to 5 are bottom of the barrel based on what you used to make in your career. So you don't want to do a bottom of the barrel job anymore. So you say, fuck it 9 to 5. You're not going to do no 9 to 5. You're going to push. Because when you push and you make a certain sale, you can make a money probably equivalent up to a couple stage show where you do something. You see me I say? But that is wrong. And it's disrespectful for coming out our next man country and I do wrong thing and I break them law. You see me I say? You put a bad thing for our country, dog. People go say, oh, them Jamaicans. Put a bad impact on our country. See me I say? If you put good impact on our country like Usain Bolt, Asafa Powell, Merlin Attic, you see them great people there. You see me I say enough more. Shireen Campbell and you see me I say. So at the end of the day, we as a nation, we have to start think to build stuff, build our own stuff, build our own thing. You see me I say build our own thing. And we better off. We will see our money. All our young artists them right now, Valiant them, King them, all our young youth them man. Skilly Bang them, Joshy, get now like a problem a day. Joshy, all of them, you see me? And if you build things, come out of the hype, make no money and build things. See me I say? That mean on a youth them and on the next generation, a youth them, a grand youth them can survive off of what you build. Because you might be a top artist. Your kids might not turn no artist. You see me I say? So when you make that money there, you have to build. Put some in a community said way and put some in a business. You see me? You send both go run for your country then rob him. People are saying he mean he should have built more business. But me can't say that. Because at the end of the day, him work hard for him money. Him put his life on the line and work. Man can't run and drop down and pass out in that. So if him work hard and make it as the best runner in the world and make him money, the man him shouldn't thief him money. But people go say him should have built, but him build stuff. Him build a skyscraper town and put all heap of people to work. But people are say, yo, we mean you should have built more. Me not go say that. You see me I say, one good thing me I say probably if you have more asset with more side money, at least the asset them would have did it still. Because I don't know if you might go get back that money there. But anyhow, Cobra, shame for your general. And the artists them, you have 1 and 2 artists that build things, you know. Build an apartment and something. You see me I say? So artists them want to put on the money to good use. Put on the money to good use. You see me I say? Put on the money to good use. You see me? Build stuff we can generate money. That's why you don't have to do nothing wrong out of the way. To make back no quick money when time on a thing gone down. You see me I say? So that me come to talk about building ourselves. You see me I say build with a build. See, if you notice how Jamaica country I run, that I go on another video still. But if you notice how I run, Them a sell out the country to all kind of different people. And them a come build and win and build. When we need to build too. And if we build certain things. And if the artists we have unity, with the thought this long time, a team, a man could have team up, buy their own property, build their own stage show, build their own business whatsoever. You see me I say? And be the head of something. Be the head of something. You have Reggae Sunfest. When you talk about Reggae Sunfest, how we are talking about Joe Baghdad of it. Why Reggae Sunfest couldn't be one artist name? Why one artist never build something like that and control and say, alright, for me name the pony. Just like how you see Jay-Z, big American, he name upon certain thing. You see me I say? Look upon DJ Khaled. DJ Khaled spin tune. And DJ Khaled used to come to Jamaica come spin tune. That's why them man they love Jamaica. And them man they build them thing, build them way up in the thing and get powerful, you know. So what I love to see some of my Jamaican artists them, entertainer them. I build them thing and I build something. Big up to Shaggy. Shaggy spend enough money. This stage show and make enough money for children hospital. Said like how Shaggy do that. When you can team up and do things. But what I notice, I mess it up. Bad mind and corruption. And now unity, no love. And that is what put Cobra where it at today. Because there is no unity and no love. Everybody depend on their own. So if everybody when they team up, where team up and say, alright, we're going to build something and say, you know, 10 away or 20 we go put together and we're going to buy a couple of acres of land and so and we're going to build one stadium. We're going to do stage show and we're going to pull up the money and we're going to build one stadium and we're going to keep show 3 times a year or 4 times a year. You see me I say? And everybody then yam food. You know, sing peace and love in the music and make less crime. So that means to say now, when time stage show go on, no police can come bug it because it's crime free. Nobody now go there to rob and do nothing. It's crime free. You see me I say? And then now, that's how you go. Because if you do something like that, build your own venue. Talk to people, them crime free. The police can't come lock it off, you know, because you build it at a certain place, a whole heap of Legoland there, Jamaica. You build it at a certain place where you know have a lot of houses. No houses not there, so people drive, go there, go enjoy themselves. No crime, no police, no government can shut it down my land. Stage show, when you keep stage show, is straight till the morning, like rebel salute. You see me I say? Some want to see man them unite. You see me? And come let us create our own brands, clothes, shoes. You see me I say? Vehicle. Because you have money, you can send go buy machine. You can send go buy machine for make mold, for build car parts, and you build your car parts, your engine, your whatsoever, and put your car together and brand your car and you build your own car. You see me I say? The reason you still I want high standard reasoning me depend on. And a lot of people go say a foolishness me attack. Because the IQ no level up to my IQ. You see me I say? So that's why a man go say foolishness me attack. But if you no look into what me I say, team up, do something we can generate money forever. Just like you see now KFC and McDonald's and Burger King and the whole of them restaurant there and Walmart and all of them big store there. A forever thing them there. So everything we know to create, come up with something we can create forever. Go on and on. All when you're not dead, you're not grandparents, you're not great grand live. That is what I talk about. So if you can't see that, or no IQ shallow. You see me I say, sorry for you say Cobra gone in a lock up because I'm the wrong thing, but I swear go. Yeah. Everybody left in a comment to get dark right now. Everybody left in a comment. Share your input in the comment section. You see me I say? And I'm going to start find some time for come out back and do some video regular again. You see me I say? Love, peace. All I newcomer them, like, comments, and subscribe. And leave me some comments. You see me I say? Yeah, one love. I'm out.